So this is my charts. These are my levels. This is my support area. This is my resistance area. And I'm going to tell you what I expect from the market in the coming week. So I'm going to do a video where, for those who don't understand the areas and how to draw your support and resistance areas, I'm going to do a video where I'm going to explain that. But this is just a video to tell you what I'm looking forward to for the upcoming week, right? So right here, the market is at a very, very, very important point. Very, strong resistance area. So the market got to the support area on 8th April. Around 8th April, it bounced from the support area. So this is the daily time frame. So right here, the market is currently sort of consolidating here, right? And I think the market is sort of forming a bull flag. So that's the same thing that happened here. So that's the same thing that happened here. When the market got here, it sort of consolidated right here, and you see, consolidated right here, and then broke this trend line. And then once the market breaks the trend line, for it to continue, it has to retest. And so this is sort of a retest, and I'm expecting the market to gather some momentum whilst it is consolidating. So normally, if you see the market consolidating so the market has really been consolidating at this level for, let's say, some days now, right? So since May 9th, today is May 14th, right? So since May 9th, the market has been consolidated at this level for some time now. So normally, if the market is consolidating this way, what happens is it wants to gather momentum to break through, and it happens throughout the market. It happens every single time. So right here, when the market was in a downtrend around February 2025, you realize that it consolidated at this level for some time, for some number of days, right? So every candle, this is the daily time frame, so every candle represents one day. So you realize that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19, the market consolidated at this level for about 19 days until it broke down, right, with momentum. Once it broke down, it came back to retest the consolidated area at this level. Okay, so this is the consolidated area. Once it broke it came back to retest the consolidated area at this level, and then it continued selling, right? And so that's how the market moves. Once it consolidates, it will sort of break out and then come and retest at that consolidated area. Okay, it's as simple as that. So that's the same thing happening here. The market is sort of consolidating. You can't tell the number of days the market will use to consolidate. Just like this one consolidated for 19 days, it can decide to consolidate for less or more than 19 days. Okay, but so far it has been consolidated it has been consolidating at this area for, let's say, 1 2 3 4 5 for 6 days now, right? So that is that. So I'm expecting after this consolidation, the market will gather momentum to break this area, okay, this resistance area, and then sort of retest. So once it breaks this resistance area and then successfully retest, now you can take your trade from here to where it broke to. Okay, so I'm expecting Bitcoin to break above 108,000. Okay, I'm expecting Bitcoin to break above 108,000 in probably the upcoming week or two. It can decide to use the whole week, the whole of next week to consolidate, or it can decide to just use some days in the week to consolidate and then break through. But that's what I'm expecting from Bitcoin. If you are trading Bitcoin, the market looks primed to pump. Okay, so yes, at least to 108, at least to 108,000. The market is currently at 103,000. So yeah, that is my call on the Bitcoin market for the upcoming days. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much.